if you're doing any electrical work at home, it could be changing any plugs or any simple plugs in your house. Make sure you turn your power off in your breaker box. That is very important. Turn your power off. So I'm gonna give you a demo of what would happen if you don't turn your power off. Right here, I'm checking. You see it's hot, it's beeping. The top is hot. So this switch is only a simple toggle switch. Right there, it's open. You notice I still got my power at the bottom, and if I switch it up, it'll close and it'll send power to the light. So we know that the bottom is hot. So I'm gonna take it and touch it against this ground right here. So I'm gonna take my tester and I'm gonna touch the hot and the ground. Watch what happens. See that? What happened if that was you, and it would have shocked you. It'll give you a good zap. So what happened, that actually kicked the breaker. You see what happened to the tool? It burned it off. Just imagine if the breaker didn't kick. You would have a bad problem there. Just zoom in and just show you what it looks like. You see what that look like? And that's a spark right there. You can catch fire if your breaker don't kick. That's how fires get started in homes. They have a faulty breaker or something like that. So I'm gonna go to my breaker box and I'm gonna show you which breaker kicked. Down here it's labeled. Here in the garage, it's a 15 amp breaker. So to turn it on, you turn it to the off position and then you click it back on and you hear it. There you go, it's back on. So I'm gonna look up here and look at my lights. Yes, it's on. So I'm gonna give you another demo. I'm gonna go closer up. I'm gonna touch the hot and the ground. There you go, it kicked the breaker again. So don't try this at home. And if this video helps, subscribe to my channel.